Make sure y'all go like them make sure y'all go follow these links that I'm posting. I'm posting all the links for our community project, Telegram, everything. Come hang with us, man. Come hang with us. Back, and then we gonna start. So get everybody in here, share this joint, get everybody up in this joint. I'm posting the Twitter or the Telegram as well, so we gotta get everybody in here. Support the project, bro. B&B meme season is about to go crazy. Hey, this is my jam. B&B meme season is about to go crazy. Like them links, share them links, follow them links, and then we gonna go live, baby. right. I'm about to tap in. That what's that called? The goddamn. That coffee had me take emergency shit. Hold on, guys. Let's turn the music down and lock in. All right, let's lock in. What we on today, chat? Let's turn the music down. All right, nice, good level. I'll probably get my camera back rolling on probably tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll get the camera back rolling on. All right, let's get into the show. We here? All right, the market is looking good. Can you guys hear me? Hit that like and subscribe. We're looking at the top 100. I'm feeling good today. It is Wonderful Wednesday, the day that the trash is due. So in the morning, I always got to go take the trash out. Wonderful Wednesday. Wednesday sets the tone for the rest of the week. Chat, make sure you hop in here. Follow all those links inside the chat. Hit that like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Share this on every platform. I think I'm back on Twitter. I got the new Twitter now, so you guys gotta go share that, and you already know what time it is. Let's get into some of this chat. We got 21 people in here. Alrighty, as we got the, okay. It ain't changed my screen yet. All right, did it change at that time? Oh, it did. Okay, it did. I don't know why it act like it wasn't. All right, we looking at the screen. What we got? We got the cryptocurrency market looking good, and we got to talk about something today, guys, before we even go crazy on some of the news, because it's absolutely no news in crypto. Salute to everybody's been winning on meme coins, man. We got to talk about the meme coin adoption curve here, just specifically from a meme coin standpoint. This week, I've made so much money trading meme coins. Probably the most money I've made in my life trading meme coins just this week. And I got to be honest with you. Most of it has been on Base. Base has been my chain of choice. I used to be a little Solana guy, but now it seems like I'm having a lot of fun on Base, man. Base, crypto.com is cool, but I don't even trade those ones. But Base, like, I've been killing Base, bro. If you're part of the Patreon, then you notice we've been slaying Base trades. Like, bat out, back to back. Yeah. Now back to that. You know what I'm saying? But I think at some point we'll see like this BNB rotation. So we'll get into BNB sitting at $700, guys. $700, right? So I think at some point a lot of that rotation from profits on BNB will start to go into the meme coins and maybe the AI utility coins and even gaming coins on BNB. We could see a crazy rotation. We haven't seen it just yet, but I want to pay attention to some of the statistics that I'm seeing here on BNB. Now, you can see over the last, run or so, BNB went crazy last bull run as far as TVL and volume, but it slowed down a lot upon a lot of the news BNB facing, with CZ and, and everything like that. And don't get it messed up. I believe when CZ gets out, BNB, that ecosystem is going to explode, right? It's going to be bullish. And you can see here from the TVL and the volume that is starting to tick back up. So I say it all the time, man. What better BNB meme coin than to be into than our community, right? The best community in the cryptocurrency space, guys. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. So we got to go crazy. Follow those chats. I think at some point we'll see a BNB rotation from a lot of that capital into, BNB meme coins, right? And our community token, J5, we're aiming to be the number one BNB meme coin in the space. In fact, the only true AI meme in the space, guys. I'm seeing something special here. Make sure that you hit that like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithms. My name is Crypto Millie. I talk about crypto each and every day. There's also been, a lot of activity going on Base, right? And it's all depicted upon here what Base is doing, onboarding billions of users utilizing this Coinbase wallet. As you can see here, you can send over 100 tokens on Base as easy as a text, guys. This is why Coinbase is onboarding so much retail. It's because they have made trading meme coins very, very simple. And unlike what we've seen from like Radium and Jupiter and even BunkBot sometimes, you know, you're not having that downtime where you're trying to get into a cryptocurrency and your transaction keeps failing. Guys, let me know in the chat if that happened to you today. You don't really see that too often here on Base. So I think when you know, a lot of these, you can already see here a lot of the Memecoin on Google Trends here, the you know, the search for meme coins has considerably took an uptick since February. It seems, and this is worldwide, you can see that everybody's starting to take meme coins a bit more serious. We've seen hedge funds talk about it. I mean, we're one step closer to an altcoin season, but first we got to have that next parabolic rise here from Bitcoin. But even if we just double it down here in the Western Hemisphere, you can see it's not, you know, worldwide it was kind of like, it's, you know, ticking down a little bit. But here out here in the States, the meme coin fever is rising. It's rising. So what do you think is going to happen first when people start buying these meme coins, right? They're going to buy them on Coinbase first, and maybe if they get some trust here with crypto.com. But I think Coinbase will get the first amount of liquidity. And I know you guys don't really like meme coins like that, and it is what it is. You can have your perspective towards meme coins. I look at it as a casino, and it's probably the #1 narrative that's going to onboard retail. It's already happening, guys. It's already happening. Again, you can switch over here to the Telegram, right? And kind of like see, and again, make sure y'all guys go look, join the Telegram. But you can see here, just look at the Telegram activity. It's like it's popping all day. People are hanging out in these voice chats. You know, this is the meme coin season. It's kind of like allowing the retail investors to beat VCs. Beat VCs. Nobody wants to be part of a project. In fact, that we were talking about this inside the Discord. That's why it's so important that you guys join the Discord. But a lot of people look at utility tokens. Oh, it's cool. It has a utility. But yeah, if there's no demand to that token, then the overhead continues. So you wonder why you buy a utility token peak bull run, and then throughout the bear market and even the start of the next bull run, you like, why the fuck is my token not rising? Well, it's the demand is not there first and foremost, because no one's buying it, and they have overhead every month that they have to pay out, regardless of it's the platform. None of that shit's free, okay? So yeah, it looks cool. It's a cool utility, but how much overhead is this utility costing the project against the demand of the project? Always ask yourself that question when you go into a utility token, and it'll help you with your conviction, all right? So if you're buying a utility token, first and foremost, do they generate revenue? Do they have a working project that generates revenue? Because if they don't generate revenue, then how will they be able to maintain the overhead when the demand is not there, right? And this is why a lot of people are figuring it out. They're like, some of these cryptocurrencies, they can't afford this utility that they're working to roll out, and then it just dies off. With meme coins, you got a few bills, but it's a lot lesser to run a meme coin than it is to run a utility token. And I know a lot of people don't want to hear that, but it is what it is. And again, you got people trying to launch utility tokens with less than $100,000, which is absolutely insane, right? You know, I found out the hard way quick, trying to put some utility together for our project. Like, I can't afford this, right? So again, you know, community seems to rule right now, but at some point, once, you know, that compliance, regulation and stuff starts to really hit in, when they really double down it, we'll start to see that utility season again, right? But again, people tend to not realize how much it is to actually run a utility token, right? So you got to make sure your utility token is generating revenue, right? Love what I'm seeing here from Coinbase. Coinbase clearly is exploding if we just look at the TVL stats, and even if you just look at the ETHEREUM stats, was the #1 AMM provider here on Base. Explosion, right? So you can do two things. You can have your meme coin. You can pick a chain that's pumping and be like, okay, I want to focus on this chain. That's kind of like what I did, right? I said, okay, Solana is cool, but it's just too many cheats and too many scams, right? But I'm not having that same experience with Base. And in fact, it's probably been like the best experience that I have in crypto. And if you've been following my channel for a while, guys, you know I was very, very skeptical on Base because of the experience that I had in 2017 with my Coinbase account. But right now, Base is where it's at. It's definitely, in my opinion, by far the best meme coin chain. By far, right? You know, Solana has the volume, but Solana also has a lot of bullshit when you think about the VCs pumping them. It's a VC chain. Base is pretty fair. Like, everybody seems to understand, like, hey, we can work together on Base. When one narrative pumps, it seems like everything within that narrative is pumping, like we seen from the Brett token. And then you had like Brett's son, Brett's girlfriend, Brett's cat, Brett this, Brett that. And it seems like all of these communities seem to work together without that toxicity that I see on Solana. In fact, when you know, and even in the spaces on Twitter, it seems like it's a lot more unity opposed than toxicity. So I'm loving what I'm seeing from Base. I think ETHEREUM will pick up a lot of liquidity. When you think about a utility token, though I'm looking at one that I feel like could explode, right? Any chain that you see activity racking up, for instance, you see BNB racking up, then you might want to start putting some chips away for Pancake Swap, right? You always want to kind of like, if you're invested into one ecosystem, what you do, right, is you look for the top plays on that ecosystem. For instance, Coinbase would be Brett and ETHEREUM, right? ETHEREUM is the AMM provider. Coinbase doesn't have base token. They have stocks, which you can actually invest in the stock if you as a diversity person. But you got to go with the next big thing, which is the top meme coin, which is Brett. But within that Brett ecosystem, we're seeing here a lot of different meme coins go crazy, right? We're seeing Bolt, right? This is Brett's cat up 105% on the day here, right? This is a trade that I'm currently in. Boys is another one. I mean, this went crazy, right? This went from a $400,000 market cap, guys, and it's closing in on a $15 million market cap. And our Discord and Patreon has been printing with this thing. Like, people are talking about, like, yo, this is absolutely crazy. I think we're closing on like a 30x or something silly, right? So most likely we'll get a 50x here on Boys Club. This is in real time. This is in real time. This is not no play. I'm also actively in Greg. I sent out the play on the Patreon, right? Right around 70,000, with 70, 80, I don't know. I don't know. I think it was less than 100,000. Might have been less than, but it's new, right? I sniped this one as soon as I seen it, and I was a little cautious, but the dev seems pretty based, and he seems like he really is working to do something. A lot of times what I do, guys, when going after these meme coins, is I just hang around the goddamn Telegram, and I just be chilling, right? Chilling, just seeing what the community is working on. And once I see a community that's really, really working together, you know, first and foremost, it kind of hurts my heart, because I'm like, damn, we need to get our community like that, right? This is why you guys got to join the TG. We got to get this shit lit, right? I'm like, dang, it's beautiful to see how these communities, it doesn't matter what walk of life you come from, when it comes to a meme coins bring people together. And it's just a wonderful feeling. It's been crazy to see this stuff, right? And it's like millions of these communities all with one goal in mind, right? And most of them on Base seem to be doxxed and want to do the right thing. So salute to that. There's scams on every ecosystem, but for the most part, the Base ecosystem seems like they want to do the right thing. Okay, so don't copy trade me. Please don't. Hopefully the dip gets bought up here. Don't copy trade me, but join the Discord and Patreon when you can get into these things a little bit earlier than when I bring them on the live stream. So just keep that in mind, guys. I'm loving what I'm seeing from the space here. Another thing that's starting to uptick here is the YouTube channels for some of the big YouTubers, right? The views are rising, but they're just not there yet, as you can see from what Ben Cowan's here says. BTC is above 70K, but his YouTube channels are only bringing 800K views a day compared to 4 million a day in 2021. So this is definitely an institutional driven bull run. But the flip side of that is that we're not seeing a lot of interest in the utility token. So what is going? Bear market numbers still, man. They said amazing how inflation can destroy sentiment. It has, but we're starting to see a little bit of kinks in the armor as the unemployment is ticking up, which is it's crazy, right? People lose their jobs, bullish for crypto, right? But only because of the monetary the ability to print, right? To turn on a money printer, right? Here we have news here. Coinbase Layer 2 network base TVL surpasses 7.6 billion, marking a 9.3 increase in the past week, ranking second after Arbitrum 1 with 18 billion, followed by Optimism. So Arb is still going crazy, but it's quiet in Arb, right? It's not like Base. Base is loud. Like, people are really hopping on Base and making life-changing gains, and I love to see the success here. What else we got? And of course, a lot of experts predict that 1 billion crypto users by 2025. So the moral of what I'm saying is, guys, you're running out of time. Don't mess this up. This is when you lock in. We're one step closer to the parabolic stage, as you can see from this chart here. I mean, if altcoins do this, it's sorry, Nara, if anybody that's on the sidelines or didn't buy down here, right? But we've been in crypto since down here, so it's a lot to be excited for. In fact, it is a lot to be excited for. Last month, I was really depressed, guys. I was depressed because I'm a perfectionist, right? And I felt like our community wasn't having the success that we deserve with our community project. But I heard my boy KRCT say something in the space last night that really resonated with me, and it really lifted my spirits. And what he said was, he said, look, man, I don't even look at the chart, but I know I'm going to work hard. I'm going to work hard each and every day despite what the chart does. And I took that, and I took that and ran with it. I'm like, you know what? I said, you know what? I'm going to work hard as fuck, right? I'm going to work hard as fuck. I don't care what the chart does. As long as I know I gave 110% effort, that's all that matters to me, man. So salute to the community. We're rising, we're reviving. We're starting to see new heads. TG is starting to grow. Again, the only thing we got to do is start, really shilling and really getting our name out there, right? You're really getting our name out there. So really loving what I'm seeing inside the space. We do got another altcoin chart here from my boy Mustache. Always coming with that alpha, right? Always coming with that alpha here. Yeah, so we can potentially see this move here where we bounce off this resistance here and bounce to the upside for phase E, or this descending broader than wedge breaks to the upside, and we see some huge move here from altcoins. And if we just take a look at the BTC chart, right? And then we'll look at the total, well, actually the others. You can see here on the BTC chart, we got some bullish indicators, right? We got the RSI, stock RSI here confirming bullish momentum above 20. We also got the RSI putting in a higher low here and looking to give you an RSI cross. And BTC is sitting here above almost at 71K. So it looks like we are preparing ourselves for the next push. I would like to check this on the monthly to see if we did get that monthly candle that we were so, looking for here above. All right, so we did get that monthly candle here, right? So we starting a new month, guys. The last month did print above our resistance, which was the previous all-time high, not counting these wick candles here. So now it seems like this next monthly candle, kind of like we've seen from the Jasmy charts, should push Bitcoin higher, right? Should push Bitcoin higher. And then once Bitcoin goes higher, and that BTC dominance cools off maybe around 80K, 90K, we'll start to see some liquidity rotations into our favorite altcoins, utility tokens, AI, gaming, and meme coins. But meme coins seem to have been the one narrative here that is taking over, right? They got like a pump.fund that's on Base. I think it's called Base something, that's literally been going crazy, right? It's very safe, and they actually print pretty good tokens, better than pump.fund. One thing I noticed about pump.fund is that Jeets who get into pump.fund early, right, they sell instantaneously as when it goes live on Radium. But with Base, it seems like these communities understand, like, hey, we're the floor, we bought early into the pre-trading round, let's hold the floor and let's send this shit to Valhalla. So I'm loving what I'm seeing on that chain, man. I can't say enough of it, and I really am having fun in the Discord, and we're really having fun, right? Of course, some rug, some, it is what it is, but we're really starting to have fun in the Discord, and that's what it's about, right? Bringing fun back to crypto, not making it all serious and pressure. Cool thing on the weekly, we may get an inverted head and shoulders on this RSI. This is very bullish. This is very bullish at for BTC. Taking a look at the others chart here on the weekly, we do have an uptrend. Same pattern, inverted head and shoulders, looking on the RSI. Hopefully we get the RSI cross. No confirmation here on bullish momentum, but if you were foreshadowing or looking to front run a nice move from altcoins, it's looking pretty spicy. It's looking pretty spicy. So we'll just have to see if the market continues to have these market conditions, because the only way I could be a degen and do the shit that I'm doing on base and these other chains, right, is really the market has to be bullish. You can't do this in the bear market. You can't do this if the macro environment is looking a little, you know, frothy, right? You can't do this if the fear and greed is sitting at, you know what I mean? Well, you can't do this to fear and greed, but you're taking a chance, right? Because you understand you want to kind of like buy not into fear and greed, but right. But meme coins is different. Like, it's like you might have a bad day throughout crypto, but one ecosystem of meme coins could be sending, and you could just be in the right narrative. We've seen it from the Trump tokens. We've seen it from the GME GameStop tokens, and we're now seeing it from the Brett tokens and Boys Club and things like the Matt Furry. Matt Furry is a fucking legend. Hit that like and subscribe, baby. I think that's all the news that I got for the day, right? I don't think we got nothing. Crypto adoption analysis in March. I was looking at this, guys, so you can see the crypto percentage is rising. So the key is to get into a lot of these plays before this percentage starts to rise across the world. But it's definitely rising, guys. It is definitely rising. So just keep that in mind when investing. That, you know what I mean, we are a little bit further in the bull run than people realize. I know it's a lot of new people coming into crypto. Don't buy into any of these green candles. Take your time, do the due diligence, do your research, find you a good YouTuber where you can bounce ideas with, but use your own common sense, right? Use your own common sense. When I'm listening to people, I take the good, the bad, and then I add my own common sense, and I make the perfect recipe to deliver the perfect pie. So always keep that in mind, guys. But you can see the population of people that's owning crypto in these countries are starting to slowly rise, right? So we are definitely in a bull run. I mean, you couldn't do the stuff that we're doing in a bear market, so it's clear as day that the momentum is bullish. Let's get into the chat and see what's cooking. We got 58 people in here. Like and subscribe. The higher Jasmine goes, the sicker I get. Bro, don't feel bad. I've done it before. Have you heard of Solana VM? No, I haven't heard of that. Base Boys Club, huh? What's that, bro? Boys Club is one of the tokens that we're our community per se. We're closing in almost like a 50x. So we got into Boys Club, and it's finally starting to correct, right? It took forever to correct. Always remember, guys, B Roots came with a beautiful video talking about the law of meme coins. I think he took it down because people was realizing that you can actually apply this to every token. But usually meme coins pump for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what is it doing on the 7th day? This is alpha right here. 7th day. This is where the front running starts to happen, where you got to make a decision where you're going to take some profit. So I did take a little bit off the table here as I've gotten to this project at a $400,000 market cap. But I'm just riding my moon bag all the way up at this point. A little bit more than the moon bag, to be honest, because I didn't take full profits here. I just kind of took my initial investment, but I have a lot of confidence that this token will continue to go up. It's been bringing in $1 million in volume for like 5 to 6 days, right? So I said, hey, I could take my initial investment, which wasn't that much, right? I wish I would have put something like $2 grand, $3 grand in, because I probably had like almost 50, 60, 100 grand, right? So probably more than that. So yeah, this thing went crazy. This thing went crazy though. We still made a stupid bag. Went from $400,000 market cap to the heights. It was almost $15 million market cap. So salute to Boys Club, salute to the Patreon, salute to the Discord. We really did our thing with this trade, and yeah, I see nothing but success for this community. So that's what Boys Club is. If you don't know what Boys Club is, it's one of the premier tokens on Base. There's rumors that Crash could be it. I don't know. There's allegedly the community said Crash could hold some of this. I don't know. He has his wallet public. If his wallet is not, I think his wallet is docs. If he's not holding it, then it's just jargon, right? Jargon, BS jargon. But if he is in this project, it's probably gonna send higher. But I think it sends it higher regardless if he's in or not. All right, got 62 people in. Like and subscribe. Yo, Billy, you still not in Bird Dog? No, I'm not in Bulldog. Fofar is the last member of Boys Club. Yeah, a community member did tell me about Fofar, so I guess we could check it out. I don't know why I got this Gucci Bucci token here on my thing. I don't know what I was looking at. I would never buy that. Fofar here. Somebody was telling me about Fofar on base. They said it was a community takeover, and it's up 200% on the day, man. He shared this thing around a $69,000 market cap. It's already 2x. This is a Fofar on base. I did also put a call out with the Fofar on ETH, right? So just as a watch list thing. I don't actually hold any Fofar. It was just on my watch list. But this is an interesting token here. I'm sitting at $120,000 market cap. I would have to go to the Telegram and see what's going on with the community takeover. But my guys in the Discord did share this. So in order to be part of our private Discord, you have to be in the Patreon. So in the general chat, you won't see a lot of the stuff that's in the private Patreon chat. So if you are in the Patreon, then you're in the private Patreon chat for Discord. And it gets super degen up in here. It's like, if you in that private Patreon and you not making money, then you just, I don't know what's wrong with you, right? Something is, you just pick the wrong tokens every time. But I don't even do most of the calls in that. It's a couple guys that's really good at this shit, and they've been on point. So salute to my boy Manchester. Manchester is a legend in our Patreon, and he's been going crazy with some of the calls here. And yeah, I can't get everything, but we got some pretty big minds. Grip Elite is another one that's been really turning it up lately. He at first he was more of a consumer, but now his confidence is rising, and he's been really going crazy. So salute to Grip Elite. Salute to there's a couple guys in there, right? A couple guys in there that's going crazy. Salute the Manchester and Grip Elite. Those are two that kind of like pop up, but I want to give some the exclusive J5 chat. Yeah, Manchester and Grip Elite, and another one was my boy, where is he at? These three right here. Yeah, he's going crazy, right? Trust the process. Just he's like, it just got rugged. Yeah, trust the process. Grip Elite, Manchester. These guys are goats in that chat. Let's get into some of these comments here. 64 people in the chat. Make sure you share this, guys. Share this. One of the most used meme coins in the history is Wojak. Only 100 million, 1 billion is easy. Yeah, that's cool, oof. I'm not really into meme coins that are at 100 million. I'm more of a degen, so I can't really Wojak is cool, but I'll probably look for a Wojak on base, right? To me, a 10x, or 100 million to 1 billion is 10x, but I done got too spoiled on base where I'm looking at 20x's, 50x's, and things of that sort. It won't always be like that. Well, Sketch, I didn't see your $5. Thank you for the 5 beans, Sketch. I am so sorry. Thank you. Swing trading everything on Solana chain off Phantom Wallet. Yes, Solana is a little harder to do in my opinion because the Jeets are just so they nasty on there. J5 is looking good. Community getting stronger. Yeah, the community is getting stronger. BNB is my new all-time high. Yeah, BNB, yeah, it did make a new all-time high. And guys, that's why I'm so big on getting you guys involved with our community project here. J5 on BNB. We do have the potential to be the #1 meme on BNB. We have one of the most bullish 3-day charts in the space. Chart so bullish, the CEO of Grove Exchange, which we are listed on Grove Exchange, hit me up and was like, J5 chart is looking bullish. So when an exchange hits you up and says, hey, your chart is looking bullish, I can't tell y'all what to do as far as, price action and things of that sort. But definitely look into our community project. It's the #1 true AI meme in the space. I did put the Telegram inside the top of the chat. So join the TG. Hang around, man. Hang around. We're still early, $170,000 market cap and about 450 holders. And we're working on round 2, right? We had our huge run up. Everybody did what they did. And now we're working on round 2 here on the 3-day chart. So definitely good as long as we can stay above the VWAP here. Lost a little momentum below the VWAP. If we can get back above the VWAP here on the 3-day, that would be bullish. Let's see if we can do it on stream, guys. Let's see if we can do it on stream. We got 65 people in here. All right, I got something I got to take care of this morning, but I got to come in and hit that like button. Yeah, thank you, Avia. You've been wonderful. Hey, Millie, I'm watching your door-to-door videos while waiting for your live to start. I'm loving J5. High five to the J5ers. Thank you, Crypto Princess. I'm loving it. I'm loving ladies in here. I love ladies in here, man. We need more ladies in crypto, and I'm loving it. Bad Cat on base. Yes, I gave a call on the top tiers for Bad Cat on base. We originally called Bad Cat around $200,000 market cap, and it's now sitting at a $1.3 million market cap. So yeah, I called Bad Cat very, very early. If you're in the Patreon, you know this. We called Bad Cat a $200,000 market cap, and it just absolutely exploded. I didn't get enough of this token like I should, because by the time I called it at 200K, it went to 500K. Now I did hang around 500K for a while, and I didn't add to my bags because the one thing that kind of like threw me off was it had a high ratio of holders based on the market cap. But the TG is lit. The artwork is legit, like it's completely like made by an artist. So this artwork, see, you guys know I've been hanging around the TG because I know this shit, right? This artwork which was made by a legit artist, right? A legit artist. I am so mad that I didn't get enough Bad Cat. We've been in Bad Cat since 200,000, baby. Again, like I said, I'm going crazy on these trades. I've been in Bad Cat since $200,000 market cap, but I didn't put enough money to really be excited about it being at a 1.3 million. Salute to anybody that did enter that Bad Cat trade, guys. We talked about this in the Patreon and not in the Discord, but definitely a Patreon. So it's something you want to hang around. We got 65 people in here. J5 to the moon. Let's go, ICNX. Let's go, baby. Roaring Kitty on Soul. Yeah, I'm more of a base guy, Bull Run. I'm in Roaring Kitty, but I'm in Roaring Kitty on base, baby. I gave y'all Roaring Kitty at an 80K market cap. The Roaring Kitty on base is the best Roaring Kitty. The dev of this Roaring Kitty is doxed. I'm telling you, I've been giving y'all plays, bro. Put the GOAT emojis. Look at this. I gave y'all this at 80K. It dropped to 50K. I hope people loaded their bags. I told you that this was the most bullish Roaring Kitty in the space. The dev is doxed, and he works for a VC company. He's constantly in the TG doing voice chat. He's not going to do anything to mess up his reputation. All it's going to take is one tweet from Roaring Kitty himself, and this is going to absolutely explode. It's above the VWAP on the 4 hours. This is on base, guys. Check this one out. Go hang around the TG. The dev works for VC. The guys that took over this project know Jesse Pollock, who is the founder of Base. When on-chain summer comes and anything happens for Roaring Kitty, this is going to be explosive. I've not sold a bag. I'm probably a freaking whale in this because I have so much conviction. I found out that the dev was that worked for VC at 50K market cap, right? So that right there was bullish. Once I heard that, it didn't even take me into. I just kept DCAing until I had a nice, good bag. I have a really, really big bag of Roaring Kitty. In fact, I'm starting with a bigger bag in Roaring Kitty than I started in Boys Club. That's how much conviction I have on Roaring Kitty on base, bro. That's how much conviction I have on Roaring Kitty on base. Beercoin. I gotta check out Beercoin. I've been seeing a lot of people. Just bro, off the bed here, west of Sydney, Australia. That's what's up, man. Salute to Grove X. I know Grove X exchange is outside of Australia. What's up, Millie? You always on point. Got a few interested in Brock Soil and a couple memes, namely Catfish and Kitty Coin on Solana. I gotta be real with you guys. I haven't been really doing any Solana degen besides just the celebrity meme coins, and that didn't turn out too well. And I'm always very, very transparent with you guys. In fact, sometimes too transparent, as my community would say. For please check it out. Millie, you ain't gotta answer. You ain't gotta. Come on, man. Gala Games. All right, so we're gonna have to go to the back office here. BTC is over 71K, guys. Can we get J5 over the threes? Can we get J5 over the threes on this chat? I'm gonna post it in there. Go to Pancake Swap. Go to Pancake Swap. Go to Pancake Swap. I'm posting the address in the chat right now. Go to Pancake Swap or Rocket X, right? Can we get this thing over the threes, right? I'm posting in the chat. That's the CA contract address. Can we get it over threes? All right, let's check out Gala Games. Retail definitely coming back. Live stream's been going crazy. It's going to be even more crazy when I start turning my camera back on, right, guys? I haven't checked Gala in a while. Yo. Am I the GOAT? Am I the GOAT? Oh no, only in the bull market, right? I mean, guys, I haven't checked Gala in a while. You can see here, I kind of like read out this. I don't even know how I do this shit, bro. I kind of called the cup and handle coming, and it's probably gonna do most likely what we're gonna do. But again, RSI looking like it wants to turn bullish. Stock RSI got the cross, but no confirmation of bullish momentum here. Let's check out Gala on the VWAP and see where we're actually at. So we'll go check out Gala Games, throw it into the VWAP here. Salute to my boy Wales who created Boys Club, man. He's in the Patreon, right? So the dev of Boys Club is actually part of my Patreon. All right, let's see if we got let's see if the VWAP is going crazy on the weekly, right? Let's go on the weekly and see if we're above the VWAP here. Okay, so not bad. We're trying to get above the VWAP, right? If this thing gets above the VWAP and actually can turn the VWAP into support and actually hold it, I think that it's a good chance that we start to see a lot of these utility tokens run. In fact, when we looked at the others chart, it is giving us forward thinking that an altcoin rally could be upon us. Now, I'm not going to say altcoin season, right? I think we won't officially get an altcoin season until the money predict turns on. But maybe a short altcoin rally here if Bitcoin pushes to 75K, sets an all-time high. Of course, Jeet sell Bitcoin, roll it into their top plays here. But we do have an uptrend on the weekly. We do have an uptrend here on the weekly, guys. So we're starting to see higher lows, which is very, very bullish. We're starting to see higher lows here on Gala. We just need this thing to get comfortably above the VWAP. Let's go to the 3-day, right? 3-day could give us an opportunity. Still, it's like right there, right? But again, Gala is trying to ride this trend line that we are seeing. And at one point, Gala was one of the biggest gaming giga giants in the space from just, you know, they ran into a lot of FUD from the CEOs, but they're still king of gaming, right? Gala, you know, I don't think anybody can compete with Gala when you think about king of gaming. The 3-day here is a little bit over bought here, headed to overbought levels on the stock RSI. Bit of a divergence here. RSI looks like it wants to curl back down, so we'll just have to see if Gala can actually hold the uptrend. Is looking kind of frothy. I don't know if it can. I'm not seeing as much momentum as I would want to see from this move, but it is looking like it could be losing momentum upon the game. I would say the weekly charts look a little bit more bullish than the 3-day charts. Haven't had anybody ask me about Gala in a while. We got 63 people in here, guys. Hit that like and subscribe. What do you think about the dog? The dog been going crazy. Opinion on air on base first ERC 1919 token? What is that? All right, we getting a little bit pullback on some of our base case. Say air on base? What the hell is that? Let's see. I never heard of that one, chat. Air on base ERC 1919. We got to see what the narrative behind that is. All right, let's see. Air on base. Is it this one? Launch 2 days is down 78%. Are you talking about this, bro? I hope you're not talking about this. I don't know. I don't catch falling knives. Sorry. You said air on base. This is the only air on base that I see. So I'm just hoping that you're not talking about this. Maybe you're talking about Aerodrome. Can't be talking about this. All right, we'll move on. Next, dog. Brett coin on both base. Come on, man. Brett is a legend already. Brett is $1 billion market cap. It's already a legend. Euro 2024 dog. I'm not gonna check out Brett. Brett is already a legend. We you know, there's no point in shilling that, right? Cash and already took that to Valhalla. Are we talking about dog on soul? Or are we talking about dog? Are we talking about like dog that's in the top 100? It was in the top 100. I don't know where it's at now. Dog. Oh, it's at 100. Where is it? $900 million market cap. This thing went crazy. What was the narrative behind dog? It had to be the narrative behind dog. All right, let's get back into some of these comments. Bird Dog on Solana. I'll check that one out for you guys. That music is so soothing. Bird Dog on Solana here. I love the artwork. I love it. This artwork, when I seen this last time, I love it. All right, so Bird Dog on Solana. You got 2 wick candles here. Last time we talked about this thing cleared our resistance with not a problem. But you do have 2 wick candles. You're extremely overbought on the daily. If you were just looking at an entry based on today, I most likely wouldn't enter again. But this is a $10 million market cap, so I wouldn't say a lot of liquidity. It takes a lot of liquidity to move to the upside. Things could change, but I need to see what this is looking on our VWAP. So actually, Dex Screener should allow that indicator soon. Dex Screener, if you hear that, gang, right? Gala was looking pretty good. Let's see how Bird Dog on Soul is looking, right? And you do have 2 liquidity pools, so that is a good thing. They have a few liquidity pools, so I like that. I like when a project sets up multiple liquidity pools. That's what you want to see, and that shows you that the community is based, right? Because most of the time, it's not the dev that's setting up these pools, right? It's the community. Community is really sending. This thing is sending. But you are seeing a loss of momentum here. Lower high here on the RSI. Looking for a bearish confirmation. Stock RSI did give you a cross, but the RSI is putting in a bit of a divergence with this lower high. Still below the VWAP here on the daily. So at some point, like, it just coincides with these 2 wick candles. This has turned into a heavy resistance. You got 2 wick candles, and now you are below the VWAP. So when you're below the VWAP, the volume actually becomes your enemy, right? Because it turns from buying pressure to actual selling pressure. Love that this thing is bringing in $3 million in volume. It has an 8 volatility score, so that volume could easily turn into selling pressure, as it has now got below the VWAP here. So I would watch this for more of a correction, maybe some consolidation, and preparing for its next leg up. Not going to say it's going to stop here at 10 million. We know Matt Furry tokens and the narrative is explosive itself, but kind of like we're seeing from Boys Club, it could be ready to put in a nice good consolidation here and prepare itself for its next leg to pick up new buyers here. Not looking bad though. Not looking bad on Bird Dog. Just depends on where you're at with it. Are you a buyer? Are you a seller? What are you working on doing? Let me know in the chat here. Guys, we really need you to share this chat. We need you to join all of the, please join all of the links that I put inside the chat. Nice TNA, no problem. H&H. I'm learning each and every day. You see, I'm adding badges to my arsenal, baby. Turbo. Okay, let's check out Turbo. Turbo is one that explodes. I mean, you know, I want to say J5. We got to be the #1 AI meme coin, but man, Turbo is busting our ass right now, bro. We got a lot of catching up to do to catch up with something like Turbo sitting here at a $413 million market cap. Chat, if you watch my live stream, man, and you're not a part of what we're doing in the community, come on, guys. All right, so same thing here with Turbo. And we talked about how the RSI was putting in a downtrend here. Still below the VWAP here. So, you know, momentum is still in the downtrend. What you want to see is this pattern here. Hold the top here, the bottom here of this strong candle as support, right? So you want to see it hold support here and bounce off, sort of like a flag pattern, right? You want to see that support get held here. But you know, I won't lie to you, right? The RSI is going for a reset on the daily. Let's take a look at the 3-day, because I know that this has a lot of information here. So yeah, you want to see it kind of like hold that support there. Another thing I like to do is turn on the baseline, and you can see my baseline was on point, right? I have my baseline set up here. So anything over 203 technically is still bullish on the 3-day. It needs to hold the baseline before it turns bearish. Momentum is turning bearish. RSI is overbought here and looking to confirm bearish momentum. And again, you are below the VWAP. So you got a few bearish momentum, bearish indicators going on, but the sentiment is still bullish above 203. I love the baseline. I actually love the baseline a little bit more than the Fibonacci. I know a lot of people use the Fibonacci retracement. I just simply use the baseline, man. Baseline has been crazy for me, right? I can't. I'm trading. I'm openly trading meme coins. So when you see me checking stuff, guys, I'm just making sure we're staying here. Okay, we did pick up on some buyers here with Greg. So this is Brett's cousin, Greg. All right, so I'm openly trading meme coins here. So if you see me go to a meme coin and kind of like look at it, I am openly trading meme coins here on base. Okay, Roaring Kitty still explosive. Love what I see. Okay, I can go back to the chat. I'm live trading on these meme coins, guys. So I gotta go to the trade. Donald Trump coin on Solana. I sold all my turbo for beer. Let's check out beer because a lot of people been saying beer and it's going crazy in the chat. I can't ignore communities here. I cannot ignore communities here. So let's go to beer, guys. Beer on Solana. So I definitely will be looking for a beer on base. Hold on, I want to check out the artwork and the website today. It's not 50% of the day. One thing about Solana is that there's way more market making activity. VC. Okay, this is my old Twitter page. So you see I am suspended. I didn't leave Twitter, guys. Beer coin turns sensitive to pints and savor the taste with beer. All right. Let's see what the website looking like. See what the whole narrative. I didn't know a narrative like this could actually send, but it's cool. Maybe we should do Jack Daniels. I never seen a meme coin do this, so I ain't got time for it. Not on stream, right? But what's the narrative behind this? What's the narrative behind beer? I'm loving it. I'm loving it. We got information on the daily on beer. All right, so it's still a new coin. So we 1 hour, 4 hour with this one. Oh yeah, it's coming. It is gonna come down. It's about to come down on a 4 hour for sure. So a little too late to shield this one, guys. If you're trying to get your entry points, you might want to prepare now for your entry points, unless the buyers come in and can turn this 4 hour candle into a green candle, and close this 4 hour candle above the VWAP. If it closes below the VWAP, and you can see bearish momentum here is getting confirmed both on the RSI and stock RSI. This looks like it's going for a nice good correction as people have decided to finally take profits here. A little bit late on this one. This thing ran to a $347 million market cap, and I never even heard of it. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane, right? All right, guys, make sure you go to our community tokens Twitter page here and share and retweet this tweet. I'm going to post it in the link now. Get involved on what we're doing inside the community, guys. Get involved. Hey, Michelle. I hope I pronounce your Michelle. I hope I pronounce you. Michelle is trying to turn into a J5 whale. I be seeing. I don't know if that's a guy or girl. So I don't want to. Are you a male or female? I don't want to make. I want to be correct, Michael. I'm pronouncing your name wrong. Opinions on Artifact and Orpo. Oh, I haven't checked those ones out, Bull Run. To be honest with you, I just haven't. I haven't been there. I'm trading meme coins. Holding 600k J5 playing. Okay, yeah, you are a whale. Okay, you are a whale. Anything over 500k J5 is a whale. So salute to you. We got a whale. We got a J5 whale in here. Salute, Mikhail. Love it. Roll some of those. Hey, I see y'all making them beer profits. Roll. Come hang with the gang. Boda on base. Let's check it out. Boda. You want to see those? You want to see this dip get eaten up, guys? If you're in the beer community, now's the time to go in your Telegram and just raid Millie's stream. He's talking about beer coin. This is what you do, guys. I was just telling the J5 community and the Telegram, like, raid stuff, go crazy. All right, Boba on base. Is this the one? Oh yeah, I've seen this, right? So it was two base meme coins that I see. I'll share the other one with you guys. What is this? 48. Is this the one? No way. Book a base. Come on, man. I know you ain't just asked me to look at that. Please give me another one. That one, I don't know, man. That one ain't looking too good, bro. I'm gonna be kind of honest with you. Unless we got another Bobo on base.
Two trailer park girls go around the outside.
What? Buttered sausage. Thank you for the $5. That was, I don't even know if I don't know what I don't. Okay. Thank you for the $5, Buttered sausage. Super Trump. No man, Boda. Where's my minion? No man, Boda. I'm like, bro. I'm looking at the wrong one. Thank you for the $5. Boda. Oh, like Yoda. Okay. Like Yoda. Not bad, not bad. Right? I'd rather buy a chart that's like this than buy something that's top, you know, that's rising way up, right? So you're trying to get momentum here on the stock RSI. You're trying to get momentum here on the RSI, but you are still below the VWAP here. So again, trading doesn't TNA doesn't work on Memecoin. So just keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. I don't know what the narrative about it. I think it's Yoda off Star Wars. Could do good. Still could do good. Not looking bad. If anybody that's looking for a base meme coin, you know, go hang around the TG. This all depends on how active the community is, right? If the community is active, then you got a good chance. Eminem. It's about, okay, thank you. Put a B. It's turbo dumping. Super Trump. I just talked about Turbo Euro 2024 on Solana Euro 2024. Thoughts on protocol house AI coin ticker Tay. Euro 2024 D Lord on Soul is exploring. All right, our market making company just hit us up. That's good. I guess they want to they want to start market. I'm telling you, like, yo, people be want to work with J5, yo. People want to work with J5. Roy Kitty, let's go. Billy, check out BOAM. Chat, go crazy. Benji on base going to a Billy. I think so. A lot of people are talking about that. Lobo, please. Y'all are going crazy in the chat. I can't keep up with all this. Orange man, good. That's another Trump token. All right, I gotta start from the. All right. My bad, bro. I'm thinking, bro. My bad. My bad. Don't get mad at me. H&H, ticker TAI. All right, let's go one by one here. TAI on Sol. Here in my garbage. TAI is Sol. This is a AI utility token, $16 billion market cap. I don't know too much about this one, right? Chart looks beautiful though. Nice, beautiful chart, right? That lower high there is concerning. Now you just need to bounce off the trend line. You feel me? You need to bounce off this trend line. It did it once when you put in a lower high and it bounced it up. Could this do something like we just seen here, go into a lower high into a higher low? You got a nice little path going here on this project, so I'm loving what I'm seeing. This, you know, is a nice path here, right? So what happened was you had a higher high here. You still put in a higher low, then you put in a lower high. You still put in a higher low. So it exploded, right? So you want the same thing here. Higher high, higher low, lower high, higher low, higher high. Hold on. Let me move my chart up a little bit. There we go. You need a higher high. So this is a beautiful chart here. This is a beautiful chart. What happens is that if what happens is you got a bullish divergence going on here. So if this thing puts in a higher low and this puts in a continues to put in its downtrend, well then that's a bullish divergence, and it's a good chance that you get a move to the upside, kind of like what you got right here, right? So you know, take that with a grain of salt. Again, this is, you know, TNA here, and you know, you still are a little bit above the VWAP here. The project is bringing in 239,000 in volume, 1 M in liquidity. I don't actually know what this does, so let's see what it does. It's an AI coin, guys. Let's not lose faith in our AI coins. The AI infrastructure protocol on Solana, backed by Solana. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. This is gonna be good. So if AI pumps, and this is like one of the true AI infrastructure protocols, this could do well, guys. This could definitely do well. Love what I'm seeing here from that. 65 people in here, guys. Like and subscribe. Turbo is dumping. Super Trump. Euro 2024. We've been seeing a lot of people asking me about Euro 2024, so I'll check that out. Appreciate the super chats, guys. Appreciate the super chats. Appreciate them. Keep them coming. I'm full Web3, right? I'm full Web3. I wanted to do a J5 giveaway. So again, go that tweet that I just put in the chat, go retweet that and tag 2 friends. Euro 2024. 170, 360. This is an ETH token. Yeah, I heard the Superman talking about these UK tokens, USA tokens. They could do well, right? USA did well. He talked about the UK coin yesterday, and this looks like this is very, very, very bullish. Yeah, this is very bullish on the 2 hour. Looks like an explosion could happen here on the 2 hour. Do we got information on the 4 hour? No. The 2 hour looks pretty good, so I hate using the 2 hour. I would have to use the 1 hour. 1 hour is above the VWAP. Looks like it wants to put in a nice, good explosion and go for the retest here of the all-time highs. It's a good chance that this project explodes and goes for the retest of the all-time highs if you can get a couple 1 hour close candles here above the VWAP, right? Stock RSI has confirmed bullish momentum. RSI bullish momentum, and is the baseline bullish? Yes, the baseline is bullish. So you got everything going for you. This would be a great trade on the 1 hour. If you were just trading this on the 1 hour, you get the break of the VWAP, maybe retest it, bounce above it, and these indicators right here are telling me that this project wants to turn bullish. So I'm not sure who's into this, but this is a frankly a new project. So again, a whale can dump and change the whole perspective of this. So I want to make that clear because there is low liquidity. All it takes is for one big wallet to really change the whole perspective of that TNA on the 1 hour. So again, be very, very cautious. But the chart does look good on the 1 hour. Appreciate the super chats, baby. Keep them coming in. I'm showing support from the Boda fam. Boda in here? I'll put y'all back on the stream. Is when y'all come in here and show that support, you get put on the jumbo screen, right? So let's go back to Boda. Based Yoda. All right, let's see. Base Yoda. Okay, so let's check out some things in Base Yoda. We got the base community in here. Base Yoda community in here. We know on-chain summer's coming to base. Is this a sender? Let's check out the website. See what we got going on here. Gang gang. Base Yoda. Make sure y'all check out our community project J5. Truly the only AI meme in this space. My name is Crypto Millie, and I talk about cryptocurrency each and every day. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'm loving the website, by the way. I'm loving the website. They got cross-chain swap already. Okay. Got a little bit of utility there. Oh, no, this is based, man. This is based. This is based. I'm loving it. I would have to go join y'all Telegram and hang around. If y'all see the J5, if y'all see Johnny 5 AI in your Telegram in the community, y'all might want to look. I do so much for these base meme coin communities, man, and I don't know. No one gives me tokens. I just hang around like I'm literally a fucking DJ. I buy my own tokens. I hang around, and I just, I'll share them if I see some type of base activity going on. So feel free to do the same with our community project, guys. Do not be shy. I need to do a stream or something dedicated specifically to the community project. This looks nice, though. I'm loving the website. Salute to the Base Yoda community. Brett's cat is mooning. Which one is that? Brett's cat. Oh, yeah, I'm openly trading this. I'm in this token. So I got in this token at about a $400,000 market cap. I fumbled because I didn't get a chance to add to my bag when it went down to like 300,000, and it just started sending to a 1 milli. So I'm loving what I'm seeing here from Brett's cat community. I'm in this token. I'm in your Telegram. I'm Johnny 5 AI. So when I'm talking, a lot of people don't know that. They just think it's like some random rando. So if you see Johnny 5 AI in your Telegram chat, that's Crypto Millie. and I'm being a DJ. Oh yeah, looking nice on the 4 hour. If you get this 4 hour close above the VWAP, this thing looks like it wants to be a sender. How are we doing on our trades here? All right, Kitty was at 3.2 at one point. Let's go, Roaring Kitty. Send us higher, man. Let's get Kitty into the threes, baby. It's above the VWAP on the 4 hour. Let's get into the threes. Is Greg still sending? Come on, Greg. Let's get above this resistance here. Running to a 1 milli. I'm actively trading base meme coin. So any base meme coin communities, man, You want to be highlighted on the stream? Come holler at me. Come holler at me. Holler at me. Let me holler at me. Somebody airdropped me some base Father Pepe. So somebody airdropped me this. So I got these tokens for free. And this thing is absolutely sending. So hey, thanks for the airdrop. Thanks for the airdrop, base Father Pepe. Appreciate you. All right, let's go back to our meme coin here. Brett, come on. Break the resistance, man. Stop playing. Y'all acting like y'all scared, man. Stop being a puss. So what we got here? What do you think about... Yo, what up, Fleece Lifestyle? Brett's cat is mooning. Kyle the dog will take care of you, fan in Boda. Oh, come rock with me, Boda. Come rock with me. My wallet is always open now. I ain't turning down nothing. But full transparent, like I've never, I didn't get paid by Boys Club or nothing. Like, that's all me buying my tokens first. And I actually do hold Brett's cat. But hey, Boda, I want to send some tokens and get shield artists from a shield artist. Come hang. BOAM is the book of AI Meow, just launched 4 days ago. All right, let's check it out. All right, I'm full-time Web3, so yeah, I need it. BOAM. BOAM. Plus, y'all chart look like it's ready, so I'd rather get it now or than when it starts sending. Right, once this on-chain summer comes for base. Thanks for the $5. All right, book of AI Meow. What a narrative. Was this a community takeover? This thing looked like it dumped and then came back. Oh, let's check the 1 hour. This is okay. What's the market cap? Damn, it's already $3 million market cap. I was hoping that it was low, right? On holders. Is it another lot of holders in this? How many holders this thing got? Ooh. Vibe with me, chat. Vibe with me. Why is it not showing how many holders it has? Or am I not reading it correctly? I don't know. Maybe I can't see the holder count. I'm blind right now. I can't even see the holder count. Where is it? Am I missing something? I don't be on SoulScan that well. Looks good. It is breaking out. I'm mad that the market cap is so high. Well, I'm a DJ, so even though the market cap may not be high to you guys, to me it's high. That's because I'm a DJ. Chart looks very good on the 1 hour, right? Gotta break out a buzzer VWAP. It's looking nice. Baseline looks good. Do we have any information on the 4 hour? Nah, not yet. We would have to trade this on the 1 hour. Looks nice. 1 hour looks good, man. Meme coins are the future, are they? Chat, are meme coins the future? Alright. What do you think about dump and pump groups? Test the user. Who has a dump and pump group, bro? Let's check out Spell Token. I haven't checked that in a while. You buying Casper memes? Where do I buy them at? No love. Yotoshi is a meme idea related to Casper. Oh yeah, I remember Yotoshi. They actually gave me a shout out one time on Pepe on base is the most obvious play for the on-chain summer. Man, I was having a hard time trying to figure out if they were serious or not, right? So what happened was, like, I wanted to buy Pepe on base, and it was a $500,000 market cap, and I probably missed it now, right? Well, because I know Blue Pepe did well. It's still doing well, right? And this was 2 days ago when Pepe dropped on base here, the green Pepe. So I know Blue Pepe did well. But I don't know why Dex Tools has this stupid warning right here. This is stupid. Take it off. Is this the Pepe you're talking about? Man, this thing's super dumb, bro. This thing was at a $500,000 market cap at one point, and it just super dumped. So I mean, is it over with? I don't know. Is it over with? It's only 26. I don't know. Is this over with? This right here probably messed it up, right? This stupid warning that Dex Tools put on it. I don't know, man. Maybe over with. I don't know, guys. We'll get off this token. Not looking good. Got it dying down there, man. You need some more. You need an injection. What do you think about dumping? Who has the dumping pump group? Casper means is coming this month. Okay, KRC 20. Okay, that's good. How much X do you think Render can do? I don't know, man. Render is already pretty big. Blue Pepe, not green Pepe. Okay, I was about to say, man. I was looking at the green Pepe and I almost bought that joint, but good thing I didn't. Yo, the base party and not what playing Star Wars on base chain. Come see what is causing disturbance in the force. I'll come hang on Shane. Solana VM bringing ETH to Sol, but way faster. It's still on pre-sale now, you think? What's the link, Tails? Is it already, where is it at, Pepe69? Pepe069, blue Pepe, not green Pepe. All right, I'll check it out. I'll check it out, guys. Don't beat me up. Don't beat me up. Don't beat me up. Don't beat me up. God damn. God damn, y'all. What y'all on, man? Blue Pepe. Black Pepe on Soul got a base community. Like, I hang around they voice chat full of them dudes is something serious up in Black Pepe. Wow, what's this? 1 hour got a golden cross? Ooh, 1 hour just got a golden cross here. Oh, you want a higher low? It's above the VWAP. The 1 hour actually looks pretty bullish, even though you are a little bit overbought. 1 hour looks bullish. What's the market cap? 15 million? The 1 hour actually looks bullish. Do we have information on the daily? You did got a golden cross here on the 1 hour. That's bullish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 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 Pepe looks like it's about to. Yeah, it's about to make its next move. Next leg up for blue Pepe. Too high of a market cap for me and what I'm looking to do, unless I'm gonna put like 5K or something in it and just ride this thing out. But yeah, it's definitely look like it's ready to make the next leg up. You got a double bottom here. If you could get a daily close above the VWAP bullish, stock RSI cross to the upside, potentially double bottom on a cross on RSI, and then confirmation here on the stock RSI while being bullish on the baseline. You couldn't ask for a better chart. Actually, we'll have to just see what we're looking at here. So let's see. This could have an explosive move. This could definitely have an explosive move here. Right, it was able to hold some nice bit of support. I guess you can see the support right there, right? Or right there at that wick. Who knows? It just depends on where you're. Most of the support you see this right there, right? Who knows, man? Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. What kind of breakout can we get on the daily from this, though? Crypto, man. Some people in crypto is fucking weird. That's a nice move. Interesting. Yeah, it could be setting itself up for a nice move, guys. If you're in this token, man, salute to you. This could be a very, very, very big move on the way. You got 2 wick candles. I don't know if it's going to be done with this pattern here, but it definitely looks like some type of bullish flag pattern does want to, you know, come about here. Again, the market could turn bearish, and this thing could, you know, do something like this. You know, give you guys a good little fake out, right? Oh, shit. Not what I was trying to do. But again, not all these charts are going to break to the upside. I don't want to be too bullish here, Moon Boy, because you could get, you know, a breakdown to the downside. So always be aware that, you know, this thing can go both ways, but a lot of the indicators are pointing for to it being a little bit more bullish than bearish. I will say that. All right, 60 people there. That's the one. Boda Blockbuster on base 200K. Yeah, I seen Blockbuster a while back. It didn't really get it. The page pops up if you Google it. Thoughts on Success Kid on Google. Thanks for looking at TARS. No problem. Success Kid. Don't sleep on Blender. I like Blender. I like Render. I think Blender and Render are going to do good. They're kind of like the same token. Casper memes, I have to check into it. Are they going to be hard to buy? Blockbuster on base. I haven't checked that out in a long time. Are the Casper meme coins going to be hard to buy, guys? Or are they going to be like, is Casper going to have his own wallet, right? Is it going to have his own wallet? Is it going to be hard to buy? What's going on? Blockbuster on base, they do have 2 liquidity pools. Hopefully, yeah. Oh. A little bit of bullish divergence here on the flower from Blockbuster. This kind of falls under the GameStop narrative, so it just depends on how you know, if it can get some of that liquidity rotation from the GameStop narrative. But Chart doesn't look bad. It looks like it's the community has been strong with it. I don't know how I feel about this narrative blockbuster. But you do got a cup, maybe a handle, double bottom. You got some bullish things going on with this token. The momentum indicators are a bit bearish. But if it puts in a higher low from here, that's a little bit of a divergence. So not bad. But again, this thing is holding on. It's like a tree branch pattern, right? This could definitely come back down to retest this moving average that you're seeing right there. I believe I don't know, 50-day, 20-day. One of the moving averages right here could retest. Not saying that this is bullish or bearish, but again, I don't know about this. The blockbuster narrative can it align with the GameStop narrative? You guys let me know in the chat. I forgot all about CJ. Was it on base? I done clean forgot about that. And bad cat. Thanks, bad cat. 55 it's on a nice dip. I clean forgot it. Base dogs on pre-sale dogs. Are you in the are you in base jump? Is that the little pump fun? Thanks for looking at Tars. All right, guys, I got to get up out here and go hang with the Telegram chat. The J5 Telegram chat. I'm gonna do some things with J5 today. I'm not gonna be here too long. Appreciate everybody that did show up to the chat. I do appreciate you guys. I'll check out CJ because I was interested in CJ. I'm gonna hang around, guys. Make sure you follow all of those links. Hit the like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Keep your favorite crypto. It's been around for 2 months too. I like that. I like that it's been around for a while. I don't have to keep looking at the chart. $2 million market cap. We got information on the daily. Yeah. Okay, so it is putting in its handle here, right? Putting in its handle. Looks like it's trying to put this handle and bounce to the upside. You're getting a bounce here on the RSI from the smooth line, which is bullish. Stock RSI is a bit bearish. So anything can, this thing can come back and retest this moving average. You do have a lot of support here. But I'm liking that it did correct. This is nice. This is nice. It could consolidate for a little bit. Doesn't have to necessarily go straight up, guys. Sometimes these things just consolidate. It can just go sideways for a while, right? Give a chance for new buyers to get in. I really, really like the website. I like the setup here. I wish I would have got in down here. $2 million market cap, not bad. It just depends on if the volume can get up right here, right? You want to see the volume kind of matching the liquidity or even the market cap. A little light on the volume, but for the most part, I like the website. I like the narrative. This is the type of project that when the GTA comes out with a new trailer or GTA comes out with the game, this is if you're getting in floor levels now, anticipating the release of the new GTA game. It's kind of like when you buy Roaring Kitty anticipating the GameStop high. I'm gonna leave it with you guys. Appreciate everybody that showed to the chat. Consider our community project. Get involved. Don't just watch for the sidelines, man. Be involved with our community project and what we got going on, guys. I'll put it inside the chat one more time for you guys, and then I'll leave you guys with that. You guys go support the community. Don't support me, man. Support the community. And I'm gonna leave you guys with that. Appreciate everybody that showed up to the stream. He said I got in there like a 700. Yo, well, you good. Appreciate you, Willin. I've been going for an hour, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. It's your boy Crypto Millie.